Queen's Life Beauties, I'm back with another video for this week. Today I have my beautiful sister Bettina in the chair. Yes, she's back to get her long locks maintenance. I'm going to be giving her a lock maintenance and also a lock style. Yes, they are maturing, and you know, we started her locks off with long hair. So it's going to be no time before they reach a really long length. And I'm so proud of the process of her locks, you guys, and her lock journey. We have just celebrated the holiday, and I do have some visitors in this video, so you guys don't be surprised when a few people pop up on the video. We're just having a great time building community and exchanging gifts and a few laughs. My sister Bettina came already hennaed and freshly shampooed. So yes, we're starting on clean locks. I'm only going to show a portion of her lock maintenance, and then I'm going to get into styling. You already know I want you to go ahead and continue to watch to see the process, and watch until the end to see how I came up with the final look. This is the finished look, you guys. I love this lock style. It came out so perfect for her. She loves this new look and actually opted for the curls, and I think it was a great idea. Thank you for staying tuned for the final look, and I want you to have a great day and a blessed week ahead.